Yeah.
How are you, Joshi?
I guess I'm good.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we have some questions for you.
Okay.
Okay, and today we are going to talk about modern love versus old school romance. So, my first question is, do you believe in love at first sight or love after many chats?
Mm, I don't know. It's different for everyone. It's an individual choice. For a person who there are people who are in like interested in people who are intellectually available or emotionally available. Some people are like connected to people who are much more interested in emotional conversations or intellectual conversations. Some are just into the looks, some are just aesthetically pleasing, some are, so there are many versions, so there is just not one answer for it. Everything is accepted in, especially in this era.
Okay, but we are too much interested in today's generation because in 2025 we have seen people are falling in love so fast and in the same speed they are getting separated. So,
We do have a choice of getting separated nowadays. Previously, it wasn't there because we are conditioned to not to get separated with people who are in love or even having any sexual activity or any kind of intimacy if they have shared. There aren't allowed as in condition, not conditioned as in not allowed to take a part or uh, uh, as in it is like impressing impression of other person. If it is there, you're not supposed to go apart until the death aparts you. That's what vow says, right?
but nowadays it has been seen it is very volatile. Means you will get confused whom to choose. Everybody has a different personality, so one person can't fulfill each and everything. So, do you think it is good or bad?
It
Means
was always like
jumping
that.
from one partner to another partner, because this last will never going to complete.
Okay, that must be like not acceptable for everyone, but for me, maybe the opinion is different. As in, if we do have, if from the young age itself, I had an thought process that even if I'm choosing, I was never meant to choose one person because I do have a personality of like maybe I want a spiritual guidance, so I'll be following a person who is spiritually aware, and for intellectual talks, I'll be following someone else, and I'll be connected to someone else. It doesn't matter which gender it is. So I'll be connected for some other things. If I'm reading a book, I'll be surely connected to one person who is interested in that source, like that book, right?
Okay, so I do have
So
question. Which kind of personality do you have? Like, if you get a chance to make a boyfriend, and you have a lot of option right now,
mhm.
so which kind of personality do you go for?
I'm a person who changes every now and then. So there is no one.
Still, our viewers want the chance.
Viewers want the chance. Do you think that's a liable people who are going to be with you forever or something like that? That is धोखा हुआ ना, खुद के साथ भी कि भरोसा कर लेना कि कोई तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा के लिए रहेगा, उनके साथ ज्यादती हुई. Oh, offense. Taking offense, I guess. From your face expression, I'm guessing that.
Okay, now we have some new trends in teen dating, like crumbing. So, do you know about this terminology?
Yes.
What it is?
Breadcrumbing is giving love now and then. It's not like if a person is giving love or giving attention uh, for a little bit of time, and if one person is giving me attention and I'm like, wow, this person I want to be, and then I'm waiting for that person to give attention again and again. I'll be in different stages of my life, and then after like 1 week, then after 1 month, he might be connecting with me again for some love. They won't be like, there is a terminology called benching. There is a
Hmm.
terminology called cushioning. So there are many terminologies, but I guess it isn't the new one. It's the old one only.
So yeah, we have
Previously
another term is
also,
that is
it
ghosting, and it
yes,
is it is happening actually.
yeah, it was happening like before. Also, it was there, but we didn't know that it was this
So
dhoka
have you ever
or yes,
faced this kind of situation like someone ghost you?
yes, not in romantical way, but as in friendship also it happens, and or in another things also. Even ghosting companies ghost us.
Means
दे से कि शॉर्ट लिस्टेड हो गए हैं और उसके बाद में कोई अता पता नहीं है.
I think now I am being targeted.
So it's not just for the romantic relationship or sexual relationship we are talking about. It is these terminologies are for even for families. Families do breadcrumbing. They do ghosting. They do binging, as in they do keep us as a part of their life, but not exactly as in we do in football and all. One person we keep as a temporary person
Okay.
or
So what's your thought? Genuinely, I would like to ask: is it legal or is it ethical to have multiple partners at one same
uh,
time?
we are we are doing it morally, morally judging people according to what we learned from the recent cultural changes and everything. But I think it's a personal choice to be true to yourself, or to ghost others or to cheat others, or not being truthful to yourself, not being truthful to your partners, or even the people who are annoying. That is your personality type, or where you are born and brought up, in which family you are born, and which conditions you are brought up, and what all you like. Everything, the personality itself is the whole procedure. And maybe universe is
जब क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ उसका आंसर दो. सजेशन के लिए बाद में पूछूंगा मैं लास्ट में.
okay.
एंडिंग में सजेशन पूछूंगा व्यूअर्स के लिए, तो तब आप सजेशन देना.
Okay, so what was the
डोंट
question?
स्ट्रेच वन क्वेश्चन वन आंसर लेंदी. शॉर्ट शॉर्ट में आंसर दो कि ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन हम कवर कर पा रहे हैं.
Okay,
फिर उसके बाद सजेशन पूछूंगा, तब आप वही
तो
सब
कट करोगे ना?
कट करूंगा.
हाँ.
ओके, नाउ लेट्स जंप टू द
So
अदर टॉपिक्स.
did we get the answer, or what was the question itself?
Okay, now we have the greatest question of all time,
Okay.
and that is, do you think love improve our mental health or it reduce the mental health of human being?
What is love?
You have to answer it.
Oh please, then it goes very long. So according to what is love?
So
If we are talking about the hormonal changes in brain, that is
yeah.
a good thing. Yeah, for a while it goes up and then it goes down, which is a universal language. So it has to be like that. At least we do have something to like look back and something to look forward. Everything is like that. So yeah.
Okay, what are red flags and green flags in someone's behavior?
Uh, for me, there is no good and bad. Some people likes red flags only. And some people likes green flags and red flags. Those are people's according to conditioning. As in, can I use another language?
Yeah.
Okay, in Malayalam we say Kalippan and Kandari. As in Kalippan, as in the red flag, totally red flag man, and totally red flag woman also. So these people do have a combination, as in the boy gets angry for everything. He's totally a red flag, and the woman is so submissive. So that relationship itself, a person dominating and the other person submitting, that is their relationship. So we can't say that is a red or black or brown or gray or
Green.
what. Yeah. There is nothing like that as for me.
So how do you set boundaries when you are emotionally drained in love?
In love.
Yeah.
Okay. That should be the question to person who loves actually.
You can also skip these questions.
If you just need the opinion, then I guess it is an individual choice to convey your emotions to other person if that person understands, or in that situation to like communication can be there, and there can be a option that you can take breaks, not breakups. You can take the breaks, or you can just do the breakups if that isn't your cup of tea.
Okay, we have a term that is friends with benefits. So are we emotionally safe in that?
I guess if a person is as in ready to invest into it, as in they know that the benefits is important, or the emotional state of your mind is more important. As in our young age we need more enthusiastic, and the physical activities, and the something happening we need in our young age. But as in when we get older, we need something subtle, we need something to settle down, or we need to be grounded. So this is according to the age difference or the person's mentality. Even I am seeing people who are now 19 and 20, they are into taking that peace and this grounding thing very seriously. But as for in my age, when I was 19, 20, at that time it was all over party and everything. We were destroying the earth itself. So I think young generation is considering earth as a very great thing. So
Okay, now we are seeing that lust is ruining Gen Z relationship. Means they are changing multiple partners, not one or two. Now the term is body counts. Now um, they are proud on themselves that they have high body count. Like I have met one person, he was telling he had 150 body counts. Literally, I was just shocked. How can he say that? 150. And similarly, every person was saying that somebody has 30 body counts, 40 body counts, 20 body counts, 80 body counts. So I was just shocked. Means I thought I am belong from very old school.
okay, that is their sexual hygiene, or their hygiene on mentality, as in from somewhere it can get long. Okay, so so from somewhere I heard that if a person wants to keep their hygiene, it's their own choice. Like उनको नहाना है, धोना है, या क्या करना है, या उनको गंदगी से दूर रहना है, या ये सोच के रहना है कि कपड़ों में गंदगी लगी तो भी ठीक है, ये कपड़े धुल जाएंगे, या हाथ में लगी तो भी ठीक है, धुल जाएंगे. तो अगर एक इंसान उस तरीके से सोचता है तो गंदगी को अलग तरीके से हैंडल करता है, और द पर्सन हु थिंक्स कि गंदा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि समवेयर आई एम गोना ईट विद दिस हैंड, और आई एम गोना यूज दिस ड्रेस अगेन. सो इफ दैट पर्सन थिंक्स लाइक दैट, तो अपने आप को संभालने का तरीका हाइजीन में अलग है. तो दैट डिपेंड्स. The thing is, we are talking about physical hygiene kind of thing. So in sexuality also that matters, in intimacy also that matters. जितना जैसे पॉर्न देखने के लिए मना करते हैं, या फिर उस तरीके का कंटेंट कंज्यूम करने, बिकॉज द ब्रेन वायरिंग होता है एक तरीके से. तो अगर ब्रेन उस तरीके से वायरिंग हो जाता है, जैसे पुराने ज़माने में लोग बोलते थे कि 13-14 साल में शादी करवा दो, और उसके बाद में कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं होना चाहिए तुम्हारे बाहर. वो आदमी से भी बोला जाता है, और औरत के लिए भी सेम ही रूल होता था. तो वो इसलिए क्योंकि बाहर वाला थोड़ा और इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा, और जैसे जैसे बाहर की चीज़ें तुम्हें ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा, जो डोपामाइन और जो खुशी तुम्हें अपने पार्टनर के साथ मिलनी चाहिए, वो खुशी का वो चीज़ कम हो जाएगा. तो तुम्हें पूरा जो दाम्पत्य जीवित लाइफ जो होता है, लाइक द मैरिटल लाइफ, उसमें तुम्हें हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिलेगी. दैट्स व्हाट उस रूल का यही रीज़न था. तो उसी तरीके से तुम किसी भी लव इंटरेस्ट में भी तुम बाहर जाके मुंह मारते हो तो तुम्हें उतना खुशी मिलता रहेगा, तो तुम्हारी दिमाग जिस तरीके से काम करता है, दैट्स ए थिंग. And physically also, for me personally, I think this is an energy exchange. When you are getting intimate in any kind of intimacy with a person, energy exchange होता है. तो on that energy exchange में फिर if you are ruining yourself, then if you can take it, you take it. If you can't, then just withhold yourself, like hold yourself pure. I'm not saying pure as in it's a good thing. There is a thing also कि exploration
Yes.
भी एक चीज़ है. तो exploration का एक तरीका होता है. Just तुमने intercourse किया and counting it is not a thing. Experience is a thing. You're working in a company for 6 months. Exploration एक चीज़ होता है. तुम गधे की तरह काम करके निकल रहे हो, वो एक अलग चीज़ होती है. तो तुम गधे की तरह काम करके निकल रहे हो तो it doesn't count as an experience or anything.
Everyone should explore, not work
Thank you.
like an ass. Okay, now I have one more question. Is it okay to feel lust without wanting a relationship?
Without a commitment, if a person is good with that, then it's okay. But the thing is, in every relationship, both should be in same page. That's
No,
what
as for an individual, I'm asking for an individual who just want a sexual activity, who doesn't want to get into relationship. It's just hormonal changes and he just want to satisfy or she just want to satisfy.
should not lie to other partner. That's what I meant.
Okay.
If you want, you should know what you are actually, and you should communicate with other person. If that other person's consent is there, it's good. If in any cases at any point the other person doesn't give a consent, whatever gender it is, doesn't give a consent further, don't take it as, even BDSM वालों के पास consent का अपना parameters होता है. I don't know when we'll get into it, when the consent stops. क्योंकि लगता है कि मतलब it's very अवेयर होने की बहुत ज़रूरत है इन चीज़ों को लेके, और इन चीज़ों की जो सेंसिबिलिटी है उसको महसूस करना बहुत मैंडेटरी है. द पीपल आर गेटिंग टू रोबोटिक अबाउट ऑल दो थिंग्स.
Robotic means?
एज इन उनको एक तरीके से दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स, एक साइट ने बता दिया, एक जगह ने बता दिया, तो दिस इज़ द रोड. तो अगर चढ़ गए तो पूरा करके निकलना है, ऐसे ज़रूरी भी नहीं है. यू जस्ट एन्जॉय द व्यू इटसेल्फ. इफ द रोड मूव समवेयर एल्स, लेट इट मूव समवेयर एल्स. लाइक और भी जगह होती है, तुम कहीं ना कहीं तो अच्छी जगह पे ही पहुँचोगे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो लेट इट मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्लो. ओके, ज़्यादा फिलोसफिकल हो गया.
Could you break down these things so that I can connect?
As in, it's not necessary that you have to go through just अगर तुम्हें बताया गया है कि रिलेशनशिप में ऐसा यही पाथ होता है, दिस इज़ द एंड और दिस इज़ द पाथ, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. एक रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट होती है, मे बी समवेयर द अदर पर्सन डजंट गिव अ कंसेंट और द अदर पर्सन इज इन इंटरेस्टेड एनी मोर. Might be they are exploring and you are not exploring. The consent is most, यार कैसे बताऊँ, बहुत ही अहम पार्ट है at every stage.
Obviously, after consent only they will go for a private place.
No, it's not just after consent go to one private place and then just continue with whatever the one person wants. No, in every stage, after kissing, next part, they need a consent. To touch every part of the body, they need a consent. We don't know what part of the body triggers them. हो सकता है दी एंड ऑफ दी, जैसे कोई इंटरकोर्स तक भी पहुंच रहे, दी एंड पॉइंट पे आके द अदर पर्सन डजंट वांट, तो इट मीन्स दैट पर्सन डजंट वांट. अगर उस पॉइंट पे भी तुम करते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं अदर पर्सन के लाइफ में गिल्ट रह जाता है, दैट विदाउट माई मेरे कंसेंट के बिना मेरे बॉडी पे कोई छुआ तो ऑब्वियसली समवेयर दी क्या बोलते हैं, मेरा ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है अदर पर्सन को लेके, रिलेशनशिप का जो गहराई है वो ख़त्म हो जाती है, एवरीथिंग स्टॉप्स देयर फॉर नॉट फॉर जस्ट दैट पर्सन, मे बी फॉर लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो ट्रॉमेटिक हो सकता है। बट पीपल हु आर रोबोटिक दे थिंक कि उसने कंसेंट दिया मेरे साथ चली गई या चला गया या वट एवर जेंडर इट इज़, तो it is actually needed to be upgraded, I guess.
Okay.
Too much? You're too less.
Let me. Okay, so we need to discuss something. Break down how lust affects decision in dating and DMs.
Pardon?
How break down how lust affects in dating and DMs. Like I
Love.
just want to date someone, but I have lust in my mind. So how it is affecting, rather than if I am a simple boy, I just want to date her.
Love was just a word.
For you too, please share your thoughts. How lust affecting dating and DMs.
DMs as in direct messages, right?
It
Okay.
depends कि तुम्हारी mentality कैसी है. अगर दोनों partner उस चीज में agree करते हैं, both are open-minded, then it will not affect, of course. It will ultimately improve and make it stronger. Because mostly people get more attracted when they are into physical relationships. और वहाँ से फिर और ज़्यादा strong बनता है relationship, ऐसा कहा जाता है. ठीक है, तो वो depend करता है. और अगर एक partner जो है, who doesn't want that thing, then ultimately उनका relationship will ultimately will be in trouble, right? It depends upon the partner's mentality. It does not depend upon lust actually.
There are people who are free sexuals, grey sexuals, who are just
Sorry?
having one time.
Grey sexual? I don't know about
As in,
this.
people are not more interested once they have sex, and once the chase is done, then they are done with that
Okay.
that relationship or that person itself. They need chase. That's their the exact goal of life itself. They love to chase. So there are people like that, and also according to science, I guess, like having sex or any kind of intimacy kind of thing, then your brain releases this dopamine thing, and then this thing gets stronger, especially for girls. Like it gets stronger,
For boys as well.
mostly for boys also, but
Mostly
for
for
some.
boys. Because boys do connect with the girl when they are physically attached with them. And girls do, like they are attracted more when they are physically fine. And then after that they will get attracted towards.
So sexual activity is important in love.
Of course it is. To me.
Not every.
But without love it is not. You are just meeting them for the first time. If your relationship is emotionally stable, then you can go to the physical activity. Before that is strong.
Some people are okay with some people who comes around under this asexuals or this pansexuals and everything. Some people are not interested in emotional attachment and any kind of other intimacy. They're there just for the physical activities. So there are people. We can't say keep everything in just one thing. No, this is an umbrella. Many people are there. So.
Because it's a human activity and it depends ultimately on the human nature, how they react to it.
The main thing is communicating with other person. First of all, just knowing ourselves.
Whatever your intention is,
Yes.
you should make it clear to your partner first.
नहीं तो फिर cheating होगी भाई.
Yes.
Clear cut
If
cheating
you
है.
just want a physical relationship, then just ask her that I just want this and don't give any expectations after that. But if you are just, making her see dreams that, I'll get you married and all, and just have this with me.
Do you still think that if a boy is telling the truth and he will get what he desire? Definitely not. And that is the reason this process is being happening all across the country.
That's how it is.
Not only country, in the entire
not
world.
that. I guess it is also the conditioning also, that he might be interested in that girl also, but again the societal pressure comes around him, that if the girl is coming after me without any marriage or without any commitment, if the girl
Then
is interested,
she's
yeah,
gentle,
yes, not that marriage material kind of thing.
is true.
Is it still happening, miss? Somebody has.
Boys do lose interest after physical relationship because they think that if this girl can involve with me right before the marriage, then she can do anything with that. She can also go with the other person. She thinks that she is characterless. She can't protect herself before marriage. She just got, if I said him, she just allowed me. That's what happened. And boys do have this mentality. That's why it is said that you should not involve in physical relationship before marriage, because people do lose interest. Boys do lose interest. But girls get more attracted. They get more attached.
Somewhere
Just like
both
girls.
are getting, boys and
But
girls
girls
both are
do
getting
think-
traumatized with these things actually, because
Girls
they
are
even
more
don't know
affected.
what is happening with themselves and with the society, where they do stand. Even we don't know. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हमारे यंग एज में मैटर करती थी, वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करती आफ्टर 10 years और 5 years. So getting ourselves knowing is very mandatory thing, so that other person doesn't get hurt and also us.
Thank you very much.
For ruining your perceptions.
Now I am traumatized. I need counseling now.
तो अपन का बता, हम सेंसिबल है.
Okay, thank you very much, and it was really a wonderful session. You spoke boldly and real truth,
Yeah.
because nowadays I have seen people are just talking about the same thing which is being spoken by the big dignities just to save themselves from releasing any controversial statement. So in this kind of things, they never accept that what is actually happening in the society.
Alright.
Thank you. चलो समाप्त करते हैं अब. यू स्पोक वेरी वेल. भाई यहाँ पॉडकास्ट में तो सब लोग मुझे लगता है ज्ञान वर्धक हो जाते हैं, है ना? सबको देखा है, सब लोग यहाँ आके बैठते ही इनका माइंडसेट कहाँ चला जाता है. हमने और भी कुछ लोगों को और भी बुलाया हमने फ्लोर से. वो जब यहाँ बैठ के जब बोले, लिटरली हमने कभी नहीं देखा कि फ्लोर पे वैसे उन्होंने कुछ बोला.
हर इंसान सोचता अलग है. मैं रोबोटिक करना पड़ जाता है यार, ऑफिस में काम करना.